Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Apache Spark on Databricks for scalable transformations. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Databricks workspace. Once logged in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Clusters. If you don't have an existing cluster, select Create Cluster in the upper right corner. Fill out the cluster configuration form with your desired name and settings. Specify the Databricks runtime that includes Apache Spark. Choose an appropriate node type based on your processing needs. Set the number of workers for your cluster, keeping scalability in mind. Once you've configured the cluster, click on Create Cluster to launch it. Wait for the cluster to enter the running state before proceeding. Now, navigate to Workspace in the left sidebar. Open or create a new notebook to start configuration. In the notebook, select the language of your choice, such as Scala, Python, or SQL. To check the Spark context, type in the command Spark and run the cell. This will confirm that Apache Spark is set up correctly. Next, you can define a data frame by loading data from a source like CSV or Parquet. Use the command spark.read.csv //your/data.csv to load your data. Convert the loaded data into a data frame by assigning it to a variable. Now, apply transformations to your data frame, such as filtering, mapping, or grouping. For example, use df.filter, df, column_name, value, to filter your data. To perform a more complex transformation, consider using the withColumn method. Create new columns or modify existing ones using this method. For SQL-like operations, register your data frame as a temporary view. Use df.create or replace tempView, view_name, to do this. Now you can run SQL queries on your data frame using spark.sql, select asterisk from view_name. You can also save your transformed data frame back to cloud storage. Utilize df.write.parquet, path/to/output/location, to save your results. Remember to monitor the job status in the Spark UI for performance insights. Finally, make adjustments to your cluster settings as needed for scalability. That completes your configuration of Apache Spark on Databricks for scalable transformations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.